In this video I will show you a quick example of a whiteboard animation video that I created using a simple piece of software. This doesn't require any video editing experience or spending a lot of money. Before I show you this example, let me tell you why you should consider creating a whiteboard video. I think you'll agree that whiteboard videos are fun and entertaining. It's a fact that people learn better when they are entertained. Also, whiteboard videos can help you deliver your message in a very compelling way. This is why I think you should consider whiteboard videos. If you are a marketer or an entrepreneur, you can use whiteboard videos to introduce your business to your audience and explain how your product or service can help them. Whiteboard videos are also great for educational content. If, for example, you are a teacher who wants to teach a complex topic, or if you simply want to get your message to stick, whiteboard videos can help you do that. Now let's watch this whiteboard video example.
Hello, this is David. David runs his own business selling local goods. But David has a big problem. He got too much to do and he can't find qualified help. Everywhere David has looked, he has only found unqualified employees. Then one day David called the solution company. Over the phone, the solution company was able to analyze David's needs and match him with qualified candidates. Within days, David had a wide selection of qualified pre-screened workers to choose from. Thanks to the solution company, now David can sit back and relax knowing he has got the right people for the right job. Do you want to find the right people for your business? Call the solution company today. Let the solution company help you grow your business.
If you like this video example, you can watch my step-by-step tutorial here, where I show you how I created this video. Also, if you want to download the whiteboard video software, simply check the link in the video description. I want to help you create some eye-catching videos, that's why I have added some special bonuses for you. These bonuses include many character images, cartoon images, background images, fonts, audio tracks, and so much more. To get all these bonuses, all you need to do is simply click the link in the video description, get your copy of the whiteboard animation software, and you will get instant access to download my special bonuses. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by giving me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.